Good morning, everybody. It's the final day of the term. We've made it. It's nearly the Easter holidays, and it is today, the 1st of April. So I'm going to announce to you who has won our Special Learning Award badges for the month of March. I want you to know how proud we are of you, of every single one of you, because you have come back to school showing such resilience and determination. You've settled back in to new routines that are different. You've been at home for a long time, but you've come back and you've really impressed us. So well done. Now I'm going to announce to you the winners, and then there are some special ones because Mrs. Robertson and Mrs. Dixon have also noticed some really strong learners in DT and computing. So here we go. Let's start with nursery. Nursery, Luke Washington. Well done, Luke. Mrs. Morley has noticed you as being a fantastic learner. In Fox class, we have Elsie. Well done, Elsie. In Badger's class, we have Georgia. I've heard that both of you two girls have been trying really, really hard with your writing and sounding out words. So well done, girls, in reception. In year 1, we have Joey and we have Martha. Well done. Those are very well deserved because I know that you two work extremely hard all the time. In year 2, we have Leo and we have Ruby. And Ruby, I'm really impressed with this because I have just had some progress meetings with your teacher and she has said, wow, Ruby's made really good progress in reading and in maths. So well done. And then in year 3, we have two boys who have really impressed us all. We have Jessie James and Dexter. Well done, you two. In year 4, we have a girl in Miss Scott's class. She has chosen Florence. She said, Flo amazes me every day with her positive attitude. So well done, Flo. And Mr. Seaman has noticed Joey. He says, you've been trying exceptionally hard. You came in during school lockdown and you've come back and well done, your attitude's really good. In year 5, we have Alice and we have Amelia. Well done, girls. Both of you have been noticed for your noticing, your absorption. You've been making links, and because of that, your outcomes have been really, really good. You've been super helpful. You've been really friendly. Well done. And then in year 6, we have Jessica and Isabel. Well done, you two girls. Really good maths outcomes, really good reading progress, fantastic writing, and just good all-round learning attitude. Well done. And last but not least, Mrs. Robertson has shown me some outstanding work from year 6. She said to me, I've never seen anything like this in primary school. These two boys have gone above and beyond. They collaborated to create some really super coding work using Python. So Dylan and Charlie, well done. You have both deserved and earned a badge for being super learners. And Mrs. Dixon has said, it's another year 6. So well done, year 6. Oscar, for your fairground, really imaginative design ideas. So well done, all of you. And everybody else, have a very, very happy Easter. Enjoy your break. Hopefully enjoy some sunshine. Get outside and make sure that your families are happy too. See you soon. Bye.